Namaskar Gurukulians, hope you all are fit and fine. So what we are doing, we are going to do next beta, see future tense. And I just want to tell you this tense is a simple future tense. Some of the students think like that this is a very easy tense, but this is little bit tricky bete. And what we are going to know about this tense, I think you should know about this because some of the things comes in your competitive exams also. And see, for this tense, simple future, okay, form I think you know very well with subject. Some of the student will say like that, ma'am, we use there will, shall and the first form of the verb then object. It is right. No problem is here, okay, but we use to show simple future three things beta. These are also the forms going to, present continuous tense and will. These are the three things which we use to show our future tense. Where we use these things, it should be clear to us. See, going to, if there is a plan and intentions and high certainty, you can write here certainty, okay, of means 100% अगर आप क्या हो, if you are sure about the things. See, present continuous tense, where we use bete fixed arrangements. For the fixed arrangements, I think I told you when we were doing here present continuous tense. And will we use for instant decision, offers and promises. Clear? Promise. See how we some examples are here to understand this. Going to, I am going to buy a car. I am going to, okay bache. See, I am using here going to and this tense is also related future, okay. I am going to buy a car. It means you have made, firstly you have made your plan to buy a car. Instant you can't say like that, I am going to buy a car. Planning should be there. So that's why what we should use there, going to. Is it clear bete? I am going to start new business. People use their will. This is right, but if the question comes like that, where we should use their going to and where we should use will, it should be clear to you. I am going to start new business. See bete, plan is there. You can't start your business on the spot. You have to make some plan. And here also, I have made some plan to start my business. That's why I have used here, I'm going to start new business. And the third one is here, I am going to take a vacation from my work because I have decided earlier. On the spot, instant decision is not there. That's why what we should use bete, we should use there going to. Okay, we use going to also to show future tense. Now the second thing is here, present continuous tense. It is related to the fixed arrangements. If you have made some plan and according to, means with the agreement of somebody else also, clear? How? See, I am having dinner with my parents on Saturday. Means fixed arrangement. You have made a plan. Okay, and according to that plan, you had fixed the place and the time of that dinner with the agreement and the consent of your parents. Means that is fixed. Okay, that's why you are saying because this is decided that you are going to take dinner with your parents on Saturday. Now we are flying to Mumbai the day after tomorrow. Means I am going, it is final, I am going there Mumbai. How? By aeroplane. Means I have bought a ticket for that in advance. Okay, I have booked my ticket. Okay, that's why I am saying we are flying to Mumbai the day after tomorrow, and the day is also fixed here. And the third one is here, Ram is giving presentation to the boards of directors on 10th. Means Ram is giving राम ने पहले से क्या किया हुआ है, राम हैज़ मेड हिज अरेंजमेंट्स, ओके, फिक्स्ड अरेंजमेंट्स आर देयर दैट ही इज गोइंग टू गिव हिज प्रेजेंटेशन टू द बोर्ड्स ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स एंड द डेट इज ऑल्सो फिक्स्ड हियर, that is the 10th May of the, sorry, any 10th of the month. You can say here 10th of the month. Means for the fixed arrangements, what we should use, bete, we should use here the present continuous tense, and you know the form of the present continuous tense, that is MR plus verb first form and plus ing. Okay, and for going to, what you should use, bete, going to means plan and intentions, means high certainty is there, means 100% you are sure that you are going to do this. I am going to buy a car, means you have made a plan in the past, not on the spot. Okay beta. And the third one is here will. See where we should use will, instant decision. Instant decision. See, I'll do today, I'll drink milk, okay, I'll go there to meet, means instant I am saying like that, I am going right now, I have taken a decision that I will go there, I will see what the students are doing in the class, okay, I will go and I will meet to the principal sir. These are the instant decisions. And for the offers, will is also used for the offers. And the third one, promise. See how which, see at restaurant, may I take your order? Suppose one waiter is coming there and he is asking you, may I take your order? Then you will say like that, yes, I will have whatever, I will have one burger, okay, burger, है ना, one pizza, whatever you want to eat, okay beta. See, I will means on the support you have taken your decision, okay, instant decision. The phone is ringing, okay, suppose the phone is ringing, my friend is saying like that, the phone is ringing, I am sitting along with him and I will say like that, I will get it, I will go and I will attend your phone. And see, these files are very heavy, okay, suppose your colleague is there and he is saying like that, these files are very heavy and he is going from there in front of you, then you will say like that, I will help you with them, means these are the offers, these are the offers, okay, I will get it, okay, I will help the colleague, how, I will help you with them, means by picking up that, but he can say like that, I will do myself, okay, the answer depends on the speaker. And see, can you lend me rupees 500, means I will pay you next week. You are doing promise here. What you are doing bete? You are doing here promise. Okay, I will pay you next week. Thank you for your email. I will respond with 2 business days. Means you are promise, you are doing promise there that I will send you response of that email with 2 business days. Okay, see, you might be asking like that, ma'am, what is the difference between the going to and the present continuous tense, because both are looking somehow similar. There is a one difference. How you will come to know bete? I am just telling you about that. First of all, predictions. For predictions also we use there going to and will. For predictions we use there going to and will, but be careful, going to we use there whenever prediction at the present time, you are doing to look the situation at the present time, then you use their going to like that. I am standing here and the black clouds are there outside, I am seeing, I am looking there, and what I am thinking like that, I am telling my friend like that, the clouds are very dark and it is going to rain soon, means instant I have made there my plan. Okay, I am doing the prediction, sorry, very sorry about that, I am doing the prediction to see the clouds. And see, like that will, I think like that, will depends on the personal experience and knowledge. Prediction depends, will we, where we use bete, will for the predictions which depends on personal knowledge. See, if I'm going to do any prediction, means like that cricket match is there, and I'm saying like that this time this team, like that. See, for the predictions we use will or going to, but there is also a rule bete where we should use will we should use for the predictions based on personal knowledge and personal experiences. Is it clear bete? See how it is. See, one example I am giving it to you. See, example. I think Spain will win the 2018 World Cup. See, in this sentence, what I have told you bete, I think Spain will win the 2018 World Cup. Means I'm talking this on the base of my knowledge and personal experience. Okay. Second thing, like that. Suppose like that. One more example you can say. You can take like that. You should see Interstellar. Okay, the space between the stars bete. Okay, you should watch, you can write here Interstellar. I'm sure you will like it. Okay, because I think you are fond of watching the movies and to get the knowledge about the scientific fictions. That's why I think my personal experience is that you should read, you should watch Interstellar. I am sure you will like it. Means both these sentences, I am doing the predictions in these sentences, and it is based on the personal knowledge and personal experiences of the speaker. Okay bete. Now see, first is it clear? I think Spain will win the 2018 World Cup based on the experience, personal experience. You should see, you should watch Interstellar. I'm sure you will like it, because I know that you take interest in the scientific fictions. That's why this is my personal experience, and that's why the person is saying that you should watch and see. Now see, going to. Okay, I have told you going to is also used for predictions, but what is the difference? Which kind of the predictions? The predictions which we make at at some time present, in the time of present. Means if I have told you earlier also, if I am looking outside of the window and what is there? Dark clouds are there. I am saying to my friend, look at the sky, dark clouds are coming and it is going to rain soon. Means to see the present, whatever I am going to predict, we should use, what we should use bete? Going to. Okay, see, like that. Look at the sky. Look at the sky. Okay, it is going to rain soon. Okay, means present time. presently. Okay, on the support I'm looking outside and I'm saying like that, I'm doing the prediction of that to see that it is going to rain soon, and people mostly use there for each and everything like that, it will rain today like that. Okay, but be careful, if that is on the spot, then you should use their going to, otherwise will. Okay, next is there one more example of this. Mom. Now mom is mother. Okay, mother is going to be really happy. Okay, when she sees my result, anything, grades. Okay, grades. See, look here, mother is going to be really happy means at present you are going to show your mother your result, your grades, and you are saying, you are doing the prediction here. What is the prediction? That my mother is going to be really happy. Something which you are going to decide in the present time, then if you are going to do any prediction on the base of that, then you will use there bete, what you will use there bete, you will use there going to. Okay, prediction based on something in the present, prediction based on something in the present, going to कहाँ यूज होगा बेटा आपका? predictions based on something in the present. जो कुछ आप प्रेजेंट में देख कर कोई प्रेडिक्शन कर रहे हो, तो देयर यू विल यूज बेटे गोइंग टू, and the prediction you are going to do based on your knowledge and experience, then you will use their will. And this is your simple future tense. Okay, and the simple things, I'll go there to the market. I think these are the examples you know very well about this. One more I'm trying to make you understand. See, yes, very simple example. I will go to the market. Is it clear beta? This is the affirmative sentence. You know, subject plus will, shall plus verb first form plus object in this tense. Okay, where we should use grammatically, we should use with I or we, shall, but nowadays we are ignoring this shall, we are using with I and we, will also. This is also right, no problem is there. See, negative sentence, this is affirmative. Now I think you can, I will not go to the market. But I would like to tell you beta, you all should use here shall. Grammatically this is right, because with I and with we, what we use beta, with I or we use their shall. Okay, interrogative sentence, will I, if WH family then WH, otherwise will I go to the market. Okay, if you are going to give answer in a yes or no, then you should use there will I go to the market. Is it clear beta? And for the WH family, I'm trying to show you here beta, interrogative, and this is negative interrogative. Okay, why will I go to the market? Go to the market. Why will I go to the market. If there is a negative, then you know after subject what you will use with a note. Why will I not go to the market? This is your simple future tense, and beta please, there are three forms to use that: going to, second the present continuous tense, and the third is the will or shall. How to use I have told you, and do practice at home. Okay, and if there is any doubt regarding your future tense, you can ask me. Okay, have a nice day.